Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. Today's video, we're going to go over 4 Linux native games that I love. Let's do it. Now, just before we get things started, I just wanted to say that this video is kind of just an introduction to some fun Linux games that you can play for Linux newbies, or people who just migrated to Linux, or just anybody who's looking for a new game to play on their Linux system. Now, if you're looking for reviews on games like Fortnite, which I don't play, or Among Us, which everyone's been talking about, which I don't play either. I know nothing about those games, I don't play them, and that's not what this video is about. You can go check out another video if those are the games you're looking for. These are just some fun Linux native games that you can play on your Linux machine, some of which have even been ported to Windows for those of you still using Windows. Now, this first game is just a fun little game that's kind of like, it kind of takes as long to get used to and learn how to play as something like Minesweeper or Mahjong takes you to learn how to play. It's not that hard, and it's a simple, easy game that really only takes 5 minutes, but it is a fun one, and I'm going to show you it. Based on the light cycle scene from the movie Tron, Tron is a 3D light cycle game, kind of like Slither.io a little bit for those of you who are into that game. Your light cycle makes a trail of light or code or electricity or whatever, and you have to try and trap other light cycles in your trail. If you run into another trail, you lose, if that makes any sense. Really fun game to play, really good graphics, and the music is definitely amazing. Another fun one is TWorlds. TWorlds is a Linux native game where you're kind of like this little ball or T or whatever, grabbing onto things and shooting other Ts, and it's kind of like a one big capture the flag game. It's a 2D platformer, which is really fun to play. Most of the time it's capture the flag, but there are also other types of games that you can play on there too. Really fun for those of you who are into like 2D shooting, climbing platformers. Okay, now this next one isn't really Linux native. It was actually developed for Windows and then was ported over to Linux. But I decided to put it on this list because it's just a pretty fun game overall, and I mean, come on, we all want to have our fun, right? So, this game is Sonic Roboblast 2. It's a 3D Sonic platformer based on the old Legacy Doom game, I think. And it's a little old, but it's kind of like a late 90s, early 2000s computer game. You're Sonic, Tails, or Knuckles, or both Sonic and Tails, and you basically go around collecting rings, you know, the normal Sonic thing, trying to beat levels, beat Eggman, free all the characters, the animals that are inside robots, you know, just the normal Sonic theme, but in a nice 3D perspective, all for free. Okay, now the last game on this list is a direct derivative of Sonic Roboblast 2. Man, try saying that 5 times fast. Direct derivative, direct derivative, direct derivative, direct derivative, direct derivative. Okay, I guess it's not that hard. But anyway, instead of being a 3D platformer, now the game has been transformed into a 3D kart racing game. While it does have its own unique courses, it also has other courses from other famous games like Sega's Daytona USA, which, though it was in its prime time, like in the late 90s, it's still a really fun game to play. It does have one level from that game called Daytona Speedway, which is pretty fun. And not only that, but it also has a couple levels from Mario Kart. Definitely try those games out. They're all pretty fun. I hope you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I make cool videos like this all the time. I mean, come on guys, I'm awesome. See you next time.